We are at exercise number 4.2. It's our exercise number 4.2 of Karachi Board first year and mathematics. We are taking here question number 15, which is show that this whole left hand side will be equals to this right hand side. At the left hand side you can see that this is a determinant. Inside of the determinant they given as a plus x, a plus x, a and a plus x. Okay. We have to prove that this left hand side is equals to this right hand side. First of all, we are taking the left hand side and we shall prove that this left hand side, mathematically we shall prove that this left hand side will be equals to that right hand side. We shall do this by using properties. One of the property for determinant is we can add all the columns or first column into other or other column into next other. We can add. Here we are using a property that in C1 we are adding C1, C2 and C3. It means we have to add column 2 and column 3 into column 1. After doing this, we can have 3a plus x, as this is a 3 times a altogether becomes 3a. X is extra, as it is a becomes 3a, x is extra, a becomes 3a, and this x is extra. The change will produce only in C1 because it is written first. The column 2 means C2 and column 3 means C3 will remain as it is. We see here that in column 1 similar terms are there. 3a plus x, this expression and this expression are same. Wherever this condition occurs, we take common. 3a plus x, 3 plus x, 3 plus x, same. In column 1 the three elements are same. Then taking common 3a plus x from C1. From column 1 we are taking this common. As we take common, nothing remains inside. If nothing remains inside, we write 1. So 3a plus x is taken common. Inside remains 1, 1, 1. The other two columns remains as it is. Whenever there is 1, 1, 1, we make the last two ones as 0 by using another property of determinant, which is row 2 minus row 1 and row 3 minus row 1. Row 2 minus row 1 and row 3 minus row 1. By doing this, we shall get here 0 and 0. It means row 2 minus row 1 means 1 minus 1, 0. Row 3 minus row 1 means 0. Okay, properly we can say that row 2 minus row 1, 0. Row 2 minus row 1, like row 2 element is a plus x minus row 1 element is a. This a can be cut with this a because of the different signs. Remains only this x. Right here only x. In the same way, a minus a is 0. Okay, this 1 minus 1 is 0. A minus a, row 3 minus row 1 is 0, and Row 3 minus row 1. Again the same case. This one. Row 3 element is a plus x. This one. And row 1 element is a. This one. By subtracting a cut, x remains only. We get here 1 0 0, and whenever this condition occurs, means 1 0 0, we shall use another property, which is expanding by C1. Why we are expanding by C1? Yes, because in C1 column 1 we are having 1 0 0. By expanding by C1, column 1 and row 1 both can be neglected. This column 1 and row 1 is neglected. The remaining portion is this one. This x 0 0 x. We have reduced this 3 by 3 determinant into 2 by 2 determinant, and this 2 by 2 determinant can be opened by using AD minus BC. It means AD minus BC. So AD product XX minus BD product 0 0. ठीक है भाई? X square. 0 is not written with positive or negative sign. Only x square remains. Or properly, if we write this one, we get x square at the beginning, x square 3a plus x, which was our right hand side, and that's it, proved.